In the last class, we talked about how to bring in media into the media bin and dump them just like so. We've looked at the two methods in which you can import a media. You can upload them from the different platforms that we've highlighted, and then we can drag and drop on your own into the media bin, and then you can drag them and drop into the timeline just like we have explained earlier. Now in this class, we're going to look at the third method of bringing in media into the media bin or into CapCut in general. So that's recording. So to record your screen or your camera, all you need is just to be on the media bin, and you can come over here. You can see record. Once you click on it, you have these much options. You can record the entire screen. If you want to do a tutorial like I'm doing now, you can record your entire screen, and then you can record a specific tab within your browser. You can define a specific tab and record it, and you can record with webcam. You can record the screen and webcam together. That's the option here. And then you can record audio only. If you want to record audio only, then the last option is your go-to. Now let's try by recording the entire screen. Once you click on this, it's going to pop up that you're going to enable the screen to record. If you have more than one screen, you'll be able to see it here. But for this case, we're going to record the entire screen, and this is the screen we're talking about. So once you select and click on share, it's going to capture that this screen is going to be recorded. Now you have to specify the microphone that you want to use over here. You can just click and you select from the range of microphones that you have. Maybe you want to do a voiceover, but then with the screen capture, you can define all that from here as well. So once you click on this record button, it's going to start recording your screen and the mic that you have specified maybe during the recording. Okay, so this is one way. We could close this, and then we could go back to the same record, and then you can record a specific tab. In this case, you can see it's showed us the entire tabs that we have within our browser. These are all the tabs that we have open within our browser. So you can just select any. For example, if I wanted to record this vidIQ tab, so I can just select, and then I say also share tab audio. So whatever is in this audio, you can enable to share the audio from here. Okay, so once you go on and say share, it's going to get ready to start recording that particular tab that you've specified. So all you need is just to define the microphone that you're going to use in that case as well. So the same way here. Right, so the third method is you can record with webcam. Okay, you can record with webcam. So all you need is just to define the webcam. Hello, welcome to my house. So you can just come down here, select the webcam. These are available webcams that I have connected to my system. You can just select, I'm using the C922 Pro Stream webcam, and you can just select it, and you can define the microphone that you're going to use for this. I'm going to use the Rode NT USB microphone, and once you click on the record, it's going to record only the webcam of this system, and then it's going to record that for me. So that's the third method. And the fourth one is if you want to record your audio only. Okay, you want to record audio only, you can see it's just giving you the option. So you can just go ahead and define what audio, what microphone you want to use. I'm going to use the Rode NT USB. You can just select this, and once you click on record, it's going to start recording your microphone, what you're going to say directly. But for this case, for this tutorial, for this class, I'm going to show you how to record the screen entirely and then the camera. So it's going to be like a talking head tutorial that I'm doing right now. So to do that, we can kind of stop the recording of the audio over here, and then you can come all the way back to recording, but then we'll do record entire screen. So once we click on record entire screen, we can select the screen, well, which means we're going to do all this, and then we can say share. And over here, you're going to do one thing. You're going to enable the webcam. So down here, you can see the webcam has been disabled because we want to do picture-in-picture or talking head video. So you can just enable the webcam over here. We'll now define with the webcam, so you can see me down here. Okay, so I'm going to record my screen and this webcam down here. Okay, the webcam is going to be below this, just like something like this, a talking head tutorial. All right, so you define the microphone, the camera that you're going to use from here as well, the same way, and then you can define the microphone that you're going to use for the recording as well of the audio intake. So I'm going to use Rode NT USB. So once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on record, and it's going to record two things. So look at the countdown timer. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a demonstration of how to use CapCut to record your screen and the camera or webcam that you're using. It's just a test. So we can come down here. You have the option to stop the camera, to turn off the camera, or to turn off the microphone, or to redo everything, turn off microphone and camera, or to start all over. And then over here, you can pause and stop if you want. So let's stop it at this point. So once we stop, we'll be able to have a preview of what we have recorded. This is just the demo. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. We have a talking head tutorial. This is me by the side, and then we have the same screen, entire screen being recorded. Now you have this much option. You could discard and you can start over, and you can save and edit, which is what we're going to do. We're going to save and edit. So we're going to save this, and it's going to import it directly into the media bin and then into the timeline so that we can just go ahead and start editing. So it's the same way. When you record with the audio, it's going to be the same thing. If you record camera only, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to dump a copy of the media, just like you've seen here. This is what we've recorded, and you can see it over here as well into the timeline. It's been imported into the timeline. Now you have much control down here. You can move. You'll be able to understand that this is the screen recording, and then this is the audio section of the recording, and this is the camera option. Once you click, you can see you've selected it, and you're free to move in or increase or decrease the sizing. Okay, so you can see very easily. You can just go ahead and size in or change the position of the talking head if you want to any location of your choice, and then you can go ahead and start your basic editing. But then you have to know these are the three components of the media that you've imported: the webcam, the screen recording, and the audio. Okay, so basically this is how to record your screen and camera only, and then maybe a voiceover, which is recording audio only. All right, so this brings us to the end of this class. In the next class, we are going to look at how to do some very basic editings within the CapCut project. Okay, within this particular project, how can we do some cuttings, trimmings, some basic editings or thereabout within the CapCut. Okay, so until next time, thanks for watching, and I look forward to meeting you in the next class. Bye.